Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown. It's about 3:30 on New Year's Eve, December 31st, with some cash commodity commentary. Markets, of course, we're all hooked up on this fiscal cliff, and as of this broadcast, which is about 3:25, there seems to be some type of movement towards a solution. Although I'm hearing they've agreed on some type of the level that you will be taxed, salary level, but there will be no spending cuts. How idiotic is that? When the French had their revolution, they took a guillotine to Paris and beheaded all the members of Parliament. That sounds like a good plan for us. Anyhow, the stock market is up 100, and I think I did call some other markets to do a little better. Cotton today closed 75.14, up about 50 points. We were much stronger. We have been almost up to 76 cents. Not quite, so I won't say I'm disappointed with that, but I wish we could have stayed closer to the high. New crop December is not that far from its high. We went to 79.05 last week. We fell out. Right now we're 78.75. We're roughly 30 points from making that high. And I think that new crop cotton will come up, and we need to be pricing some of that cotton. I do believe we may cover that off with some March, or rather some July call options, but that's something we can talk about later. Corn today got a little better blood infusion. Spot corn was up, touched $7, up 6 cents. New crop corn really finished unchanged in the September 621. And then I think we're a little oversold. There's a supply-demand number coming out on January the 11th, and I think the market's starting to think about between some type of fiscal cliff Band-Aid and maybe tight stocks on this supply-demand number. I think corn might try to rally up here just a little bit. The wheat market today was down still, although I think wheat exports have been not too shabby lately. The market was just in no mood to rally, but we finished around 7.94, down about a penny. If this corn gets uncorked to the upside, I think you'll see wheat come on back up some as well. Over in the beans today, they closed lower. There seems to be just a better notion that the South American crop is improving, and of course we've had some cancellations the last couple of weeks on some soybean cargoes. We think that's just China playing with the market, but nonetheless it is what it is. Exports will come out Friday this week because obviously January 1st, holiday, New Year's Day tomorrow, so that does push it back a little bit. Crude oil up $1 today on thinking about some kind of fiscal cliff solution, but again, who knows? Anyway, have a safe holiday. We'll be back here. Markets will not trade tonight, nor tomorrow night. They'll crank back up on Wednesday morning, and we will be here. Have a nice holiday.